Hello. And welcome to my video. Let's talk about
Facial skincare product reviews, skincare, dermatologist review on The Ordinary. Given that acne is by far the most common disease in the world, I'm constantly surprised at the amount of misinformation there is about acne treatments. There are so many commonly held beliefs regarding treatments, which have no scientific or medical validity, but continue to be passed on from individual to individual. More worrying is the possible consequences of trying some of these options. Here are a list of common acne treatments that categorically do not work. 1. Household cleaning products, even when diluted, should not be used to treat acne. There can be severe adverse reactions including chemical burns from pursuing this route. Similarly, cleaning powders are ineffective for acne. Washing up liquid does not work for acne. Home facial saunas will do nothing for your acne, but will certainly aggravate already sensitive skin. 5. Sticky tape left on the skin overnight and removed in the morning will certainly remove dead skin cells and excess oil, but is likely to damage the sensitive skin, and may cause an allergy to the glue. 6. Prolonged exposure to the sun or using a sunbed will not help your acne, and can be dangerous if you are also taking oral medication of certain types. For example, taking certain antibiotics in tablet form will make your skin highly sensitive to sunlight. 7. Sudocrem is an excellent treatment for nappy rash, but highly ineffective for acne, primarily because it contains a mixture of greases and oils which are bad for acne. 8. Taking high doses of vitamin A or B will not directly help your acne, and may cause other side effects. 9. Squeezing your spots is universally not recommended in combating acne. Doing so will prolong and spread the acne to other parts of the affected area. There are many other not recommended acne treatment regimes, many of which will worsen an already difficult condition. Avoid these shortcuts and stick with a program overseen by your medical professional, or one which is based on solid scientific and medical evidence. If you do this, you'll succeed in overcoming your acne condition. Peter Vine is a successful online publisher of acnetreatmentexpert.com. He provides practical advice and the latest information on all aspects of adult acne treatments, which you can readily research on his website.
Please click the link in description for more information. Bye.